Hey everyone, what is going on? My name is Rina and today I'm making a video on how to film good videos and have great lighting. And I know that I have made like little thingies in my videos. Sometimes when I'm nothing to do, I say what's my setup and my lighting. So now it's gonna be a proper video dedicated to it, so I hope you enjoy. Now if you guys didn't check out my video on when I opened my tripod, you can go check it out in the iCard, which I'm going to link just up there. And yeah, so I no longer use books and stuff to stack up, so I'll just show you guys. I will put my tripod right here so that it is very convenient to just face me, and it has a very smooth surface. So if you guys do not have a tripod already, you can go ahead and get like a big tall thing that you can put your phone or camera on, and it will do its job. But I would recommend to get a tripod so it is easier to vlog, because you can carry it up and move it around easily, and also put it in different positions like that, and like this, and even like this. For example, if you're making an unboxing video, you would want to put your tripod or stand on a flat surface so that it wouldn't move around and your video won't be so shaky. But if you do want to open it on your bed, you should definitely get like a hard thing, like maybe a cardboard or like a folder, so that it wouldn't shake around too much. Now for lighting wise, you would just want to get some lights. But if you're making a video where you want to show the table and you're not filming this by yourself, maybe you got like your brother or sister, if you are making that, you want to get those kind of big lamps that shine on you. Or if you want to just stick to normal standard, you can just get probably like a desk. Maybe you can get one just like this, just like a desk lamp. Or since you are already having a desk, you can actually just use the lamp that you already have, and make sure that the neck of your lamp is bendy, so you can make it up, make it face your face. See, so what are you doing? Are you gonna shine a light on me? What hey, ow, hey, what are you doing to me? How this is, ow, what do you do? So it is easier to function a lamp that has a bendy neck, so you can move it back and forth, and you can also turn it on your own face. And also now some other stuff that you want to take note of when you're filming. Do not cut the end of the videos. That is a bad habit that I have. You want to pause a second or two after you are done speaking, and then you pause your thing. And also for background wise, I am trying to keep my background as normal as possible so it isn't too distracting. It is just basically my bedroom. And also, if you really want your videos to have good quality, you might as well get a green screen, and also have the green screen editor, and it is very cool. But if not, you can just get the background to be just plain white or a specific color. And also you should not make it so distracting, or else it would attract the viewers' attention, and then they'll be instead of looking at what you are talking about, they will look at the back. So anyway, those are some tips on how to get good angle, good lighting, good background, and I really hope you guys found them useful.